Texas County updates missing persons list after recent flooding. Nearly 100 missing persons from the Texas flood have been found safe, easing community fears. Kerr County officials report only 3 individuals remain unaccounted for as search efforts continue. The search for missing individuals marks its 3rd week, showing significant progress since July 4th. Initial reports indicated over 160 people missing, highlighting the tragic impact of the flooding. Community support and rescue efforts have played a crucial role in reuniting families safely. Stay updated with our latest news and subscribe now.